make a meeting, create an event with a mortgage agent or two, that it's this topic of discussion, that they're going to be able to share that insight and what that actually looks like for them to, give them that confidence in what they're doing. Because again, it's the unknown, the uncertainty. So you're again adding that value to your database that are sitting on the fence. But you're also educating yourself as well to prepare yourself to handle those objections when your new leads are coming in that weren't able to attend that you can then, answer any questions or provide them information confidently.
Well, I can't believe you just said that, because I'm always trying to think outside the box. And last week I just said, you know what? And to the people that I was training on the agent locator leads here at the office, I just said, we have to step out of the box. It's time that, we do a Zoom Q&A and invite all of our leads, right? Yeah. I mean, what a database. There's hundreds, thousands, depending on how long you've been buying Google pay-per-click leads. So, I put my money where my mouth is. It's easy for me to say, guys, do a Q&A with a mortgage person, invite everybody. Here's what I always say. What do you have to lose? You have nothing to lose. It doesn't even cost you anything, right? So what I did was I set it up and I'm like, okay, well then I'm doing it. I've got my mortgage rep booked in. Today I had to switch the date to the next week, but that's easy to do on Eventbrite. We've already got people registered. And then what we do is we just once a week remind all the leads that this is their opportunity to get educated on what's going on in the mortgage industry, and we also say in the email that goes out, there's no obligation. We just want you to have the best information possible, because there's a lot of questions about the market right now and rates. So I think that's phenomenal. I really, really do. I think that once we start looking at having an email drip campaign is so important, but also using this database of warm leads to give them continued value proposition, right?